Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to check eBay sold prices. Now, to check eBay sold prices, or basically what we have sold and what prices are for these items that we have sold, it's pretty simple. The first thing is basically, first of all, you need to remember the prices of your products, but in case you had a big business, of course, you will not remember everything. So, get first to the selling, and in case you were for example here, let me just go to sold, which is where you'll find every order. So in case you had like hundreds and hundreds of orders, um eBay doesn't really allow you to filter it by product. It's only price, recently sold, date buyer paid, and buyer, so you can't really check the products. But in case you're just like found just wondering of an item that you sold, do you remember that you have sold and you shipped, but you forgot how many money you are going to get paid from it? Just to do some accounting or something like that. You can simply go back to the sell an item order here and basically it's here orders active, and here in this area you will find every single item that has been added and active. So you don't have any active items at the moment, so here you will find every single item that you have created or product that you have created and added to your eBay store, and you will can filter them and see which product are you looking for. So here it is. This is very simple and very easy. You simply have to go to my eBay activity, selling active, and you can check every single product's price. But in general, you can go here in orders, and if you had like 10 two products that have been sold, you will find here the item name and the price right here and the status of it as well. So yeah, that was it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.